I got a call from the contractor that was doing the bidding on Christ the King Presbyterian Church. I've done some bids for him before, and so I bid it out. We got the job. They were doing a remodel, adding some classrooms to it, and a chapel-type structure. We did a TPO roof on the new sections of the building. We're in progress with the roof, and it's going very well. We had a lot of rain yesterday, and I went up there and looked, and there was absolutely no ponding water, which was a good sign. Made the builder real happy. So the job should be wrapping up pretty soon. This TPO part will be done on Monday. The metal, once we know what we're going to do, we may end up replacing the R-panel roof on the church with a standing seam roof. So they're making that decision today. I just submitted a bid for that yesterday. So in the near future, Christ the King Church will have a new roof that'll protect it for years to come.